Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax, Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a Harris 250 Sunliner. We're going to start off at the stern of the boat. This boat is equipped with a 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engine. It's got a nice big sun pad on the back of this boat. This flips forward and aft, so you got a nice big sun pad under there. Walking up towards midships of this boat, you'll see there's a lot of storage. Flip up seats. Full instrumentation on this boat. We're on the helm. We've got speed, tack, depth, fuel, trim. This boat comes with under-seat LED lighting. Full instrumentation package, Bluetooth stereo. Got a nice big place here to store your cover underneath this seat. Comes equipped with a ski locker as well. And plenty of room for the family up front. Notice the nice stitching around the bulwarks. If you'd like to see more of this boat, give us a call. My name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax, Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.